Hi, Hammy. This is Dora. It was nice talking to you earlier today, and this is the video I was talking about. I'll make it quick so I don't take up too much of your time. So what I always do is start by just doing a search on Google, and I looked for flooring sanding companies in the Long Beach area, and these are ads that always come up first, or almost always. And then these are the three companies that are in the map pack that are right on the first page. Now, the reason this is important is because this is where your business you really want to be. When you're in the map pack in these first three positions, they get the majority of the business because it's fast and it's easy. People can just click on it and go. So the way you can do that is make sure that your Google business page is completely set up and optimized, and make sure that you have your information in as many directories as you can find. There's tons of them out there. And then also we have the organic results, which it looks like these are just directories at the top. We don't really count those. Ultimately, your goal would be to be above them, so right below the map pack, so that you're listed in two different places and people are like, hey, yeah, they must be good. So looks like your main competition is going to be Carter Wood Floors. They do sanding and refinishing also. So anyway, let's just go over your site really quick. It's a nice site. I like your pictures. I'm glad that you've put your services down below. They're easy to link to. You've got the testimonial section. It looks nice. One thing I would really recommend would be to have a little bit more content on this page. The reason I say that is because when Google sends out its crawlers, they don't just check to see if you have relevant information. They also count how many words you have. And right now, to get on the first page of Google and stay there, you need to have about 1,500 words of content. So I would add some of that to your site. Also, maybe just a little form here on the front page, just so nobody has to go look for it. And then they can see what they have to fill out, because a lot of people hate the phone and they're just going to say, hey, call me, or, whatever it might be. And then here is your competition. You know, honestly, your site is much prettier. These guys do have a bit more information and content on their page, which is probably why they're ranking higher, or one of the reasons. So if you add that extra content to your page, it's going to help to move you up above these guys. Now, you also have, a few other things that you can look at. This is kind of like a backdoor looking at your website to see what you need to rank higher. This program is called Ahrefs. Right now you have a domain rating, which is the power of your website at 0, and a URL rating, which is the trust of your website at 2.1. So ultimately, you need to get as many high-powered backlinks as you can, with a good trust rating as well, so that you can rank higher on Google. A backlink is just when somebody else has put a link back to your company, either in their directory or in their blog or in their post. So it's important for you to have as many of those as you can. Now, another thing that's really important for ranking in Google is to have keywords that you're ranking for. So the reason you don't have any keywords is because you don't really have much content on your site. So as you add content with those keywords that are important, you will start to rank for those keywords. So let's look at the competition. So they've got a domain rating of 3.9 and a UR rating of 13. So they do have over 1,000 backlinks. Now, this is a great place for you to get backlinks. So there's other programs out there besides Ahrefs, because Ahrefs is a little bit spendy. But if you use one of those other programs, you can go to your competition's backlinks, and because backlinks are not just for one company, backlinks are for many companies. So if you can click on as many of their backlinks as possible that are like, say, a 50 or higher, because they have their own power right here, then that's going to help you to rank higher. All you have to do is get your information added, request to join it, whatever it requires on that particular backlink. That will help you rank over them. Let's see, let's look at their keywords too. Just a second here. So they have over 1,000 keywords. So let's just take a look at those. All right, so it just shows that they are pulling in some traffic with their keywords. Since they're in position number 6, they pull 12 people out of this. hardwood flooring refinishing to Los Angeles, in the Los Angeles area, sorry, 150 people look for that every month. This is not a hard keyword to get and use. Hardwood floor refinishing, Orange County. Once again, not a hard one to take, and it's got a decent volume. A lot, 100 people are looking for that every single month. And then hardwood floor refinishing Los Angeles, 200 people look for that every month. And it's not a hard keyword to get either. So I just wanted to show you that there's lots of volume, people searching for what you provide. If you were just to use it on your, these keywords and get ranked for them on your website, you would pull in some of this business. So that's what I wanted to show you, and I really hope it was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will reach out tomorrow and see if we can touch base and you can give me some feedback. Thanks so much and have a great evening.